Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing sequential turning signals, and they come in this little box here. I'll leave a link in the description if I can find them online here. They come in this little box here, and they come in here like this. So today we're going to be installing these sequential turning signals, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is put your ST in run and move both your mirrors all the way down and then to the right. And then we're going to swap to the other side. We go all the way down and to the right. There we go. All right, so once y'all have done that, you can turn off your car for now and hop out here. And the next thing that we're gonna have to do is remove this case that houses the mirror and the turn signal. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in just a minute. So in order to take off your plastic cap here, I would recommend getting a screwdriver. However, this case, these lights do come with a little plastic trim puller, but we're not going to use that quite yet. I would just recommend getting a screwdriver because there are two tabs. There is, I don't know if y'all can see this. Let me see if I can get a better view. All right, so you guys can kind of see the tab one. The tab one is on the left side. And then over here, if you kind of look over here, yeah, the second tab is on over this side. You're gonna have to take your screwdriver and get in the little gap and then just push down on both the left and the right side. And once you guys have done that, then the cap will come off. So that's pretty much it to take the cap off, and then I'm going to show you guys how to take this off, and then that's it. So the next step that you guys are going to need to do is pull out this little plastic from here, pull it out like that. And this is the old housing. I'm just going to keep mine for now and put it in my parts box, but you guys can get rid of it. And then the next thing is you guys are going to want to take the bulb out. Grab the right turning signal, correct turning signal for whichever side. Nope, it's the other one. Let me get the other one out of the bag. There we go, so that's the right one. This is going to line up. You see your little connector here on the end. What you're going to want to do is take it, and there's little contacts in here, and it should be universal, so it plugs into both sides, but you guys just want to make sure that you plug it in to both those contacts. So see, it'll go in there like that, and then it'll go up into the car like that. But however, first I am going to test to make sure these work, so I'm going to be back in 1 minute. I'm going to turn my car on and turn my turning signal on, and once it works, I'm going to finish the install. As you can see, I have my light in there. It's in there all good. And the next step is going to be to put back on your mirror cover, which is this big thing. And what you guys are going to want to do is kind of line all these tabs up. If I can get it back on here. Kind of line all this stuff back up. Make sure that end goes there. Having a hard time trying to get this back on. Come on. As you can see, guys, I got it all back up in there. My mirror cap is good, and it looks so good. The black on black with a black color, it looks really good compared to the old white ones. I'll give you a side-by-side comparison in the next shot, but it is the same process on the other side. And thank you for watching the video, guys.